And good afternoon, everyone, from Ashland, Virginia. We're at Commonwealth RV, where today we're going to take a look at this beauty. This is a 2023 Airstream Rangeline. This one's on the ProMaster chassis, 16,254 miles. See how big my memory is? I looked at that over 45 seconds ago. And 114 generator hours. So this one has lots of nice features and bells and whistles, and it's in really nice shape. 16,000 miles is obviously low miles for any vehicle, but for this one, it may be a little on the higher than what you would expect, but it does not show like it at all. We've been walking around it, poking at it, having fun, looking at all the different stuff, and it's really cool. And I didn't see any damage to it at all. It smells, looks brand new. Had to figure that out a second ago. Look at that, would you? Oh, look at what I did. Yeah. Doors open. Lindsay was able to figure out how all this contraption works in here, and we'll make her put it back to a bed there. But good entry to it. This one does have the 200-watt solar on the top. Lots of storage here and there. This one does have the queen or full-size bed that goes across the right there, and allows all of this to be storage underneath of here as well. So it's got loaded up with stuff here. Let her go in here and take a closer look at it. I didn't see any bike racks or anything fancy like that, but it does have she's already heading to the beach. Really cool. And of course, this folds down. It's a screen door. It's a magnetic door. It zips. It's got 6 or 7 different configurations that you can put it in. So you can enjoy sleeping with just the screen. Let that fresh air wash all over you. You can black it out if you want to for maximum privacy. And just a lot of stuff you can do there. There's that awning tool. Remember we were looking earlier? Yeah. There it is. But like where could that be? So I guess that answer to the question is not a power on. This one does have the lithium batteries, everyone's first question. So I thought I would answer it. We do have a full build sheet on this one. That's how we know that it's Admiral Blue. Yes, I said it, Admiral Blue. But again, looking around this outside from a condition standpoint, I haven't seen really anything wrong with it. I'm sure if we pulled out the old magnifying glass and looked long enough, we'd find something. But all things considered, it's pretty sharp.